Now that the exercise list has been set up, we can start tracking our workouts. The first step is to go to the journal worksheet. Once on the journal worksheet, we want to select a muscle group. We see from the pull down that we have muscle groups that we defined in our exercise list. In this case, let's start with biceps. Once we select biceps, the exercise pull down will now be filtered to that muscle group. Let's start with curl bar. Let's add a second biceps exercise, in this case hammer dumbbell. And we can switch muscle groups to back, and the pull down is now filtered to back only exercises. We continue in this fashion to chest, and then finally let's do legs, which is the muscle group we just created, and we see the two exercises that we just added. And let's go with squat dumbbell. Once the exercises have been added, we need to define the date that we performed them on. So first of the year, and we'll use Control D to fill down, and we'll do all those exercises on the same day. Next we would do multiplier, but let's come back to that in a moment. We'll define our working weight. In this case, we'll do 80 pounds and 5 sets, 5 reps. For our hammer dumbbell curls, we'll do 40-pound dumbbells. Again, 5 sets, 5 reps. For the biceps curl bar, we're going to use a multiplier of 1 because we only have one weight that we're working with. This gives us a total volume of 2,000 pounds. In the case of the hammer dumbbell, we may have 2 dumbbells, one in each arm, or we may use the same 40-pound dumbbell, but we may switch arms. Either way, we end up doing twice the volume that we would otherwise predict for a 40-pound weight. And this is how the multiplier is used. It maintains the correct volume, but it allows us to track the actual working weight. We continue to back extension, and in this case we could use a multiplier of 1 if we used a 45-pound plate, and we did 3 by 10. We could go on to bench press, again a single barbell, a working weight of 225 pounds, and we could do 3 by 8. Finally, we have squat dumbbell. In this case we have 2 dumbbells. We'll use a multiplier of 2. Our working weight could be 85 pounds, and we'll do 3 by 12. So a simple workout, but we can see we're already starting to track some metrics in our table. First, we see that we have one unique day entered. The total number of sets for the entire table now is 19. Total number of reps is 140. Our average volume per exercise is 3,374 pounds, and the total volume for all exercises captured is 16,870 pounds. Now, as we add more exercises, this will continue to grow. This is a table, and it's managed the same way as the table was done in the exercise list. And so we can go to last row, last column, and we could tab to add new rows as needed. We could insert, or we could drag down.